This is Real News Media TV, coverage you can trust. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Select all for daily news updates. Flash flood warning in effect for eastern and south central parishes. A flash flood warning has been issued for low-lying and flood-prone areas of St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Manchester. The Meteorological Service also said in a release Thursday morning that a flash flood watch is in effect for low-lying and flood-prone areas of all other parishes: Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, and St. Elizabeth, as Jamaica is being affected by rains and thunderstorms associated with an area of low pressure approximately 322 kilometers south of the island. A flash flood warning means flooding has been reported or will occur shortly, while a flash flood watch means that flash flood is possible and residents are advised to take precautionary measures, keep informed by listening to further releases from the Meteorological Service, and to be ready for quick action if flooding is observed or if a warning is issued. The Met Service said that the flash flood alerts remain in effect until 5 p.m. on Thursday, noting that moderate to heavy showers and thunderstorms affected sections of eastern and central parishes throughout the night. It said the forecast is for mostly cloudy conditions with periods of showers and thunderstorms, which could be heavy at times, to continue to affect most parishes with the greatest intensity over eastern and central parishes throughout Thursday into Friday. Strong gusty winds are also likely in the vicinity, thunderstorms along coastal areas of the southern parishes. Flash flood is therefore likely over low-lying and flood-prone areas of these parishes, the Met Service said. Additionally, the Met Office noted that environmental conditions are conducive for development of the weather system, and a tropical depression or storm is expected to form later Thursday or Friday. This system is projected to move northwestward over the northwestern Caribbean Sea near the Cayman Islands tonight, near Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico on Friday, the Met Service said. The Meteorological Service said it will continue to monitor the situation. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Select all for daily news updates.